Hey guys, what's going on today? Today's a quick review of the drill brush. The drill powered cleaning brush. Picked these up off Amazon for, it's like 11 bucks. They had a liking deal. I've been wanting these for a while. I just kind of, it's been cold, so I haven't been hand washing my car or anything like that, but here's what it looks like. So they give you a nice little postcard telling you what you can use them on, you know, kitchen stoves, cabinets, countertops. Of course, we bought the yellow ones. Red ones. So outdoors, sliding brick, garage gutters. My biggest thing of this is just to clean the rims of my cars. So obviously these bristles will probably be lighter or heavier. I don't see one for a car. So, okay, white would be wheels, carpet. So white, you'd probably want to, you know, probably a little bit softer, but these are the ones that I bought. So anyway, so that's the one. You know, obviously you take the drill, you take out the drill bit like that, and just let it come and grab this, and you have now an attachment on your drill that can clean rims. You saw that you can for red, we're gonna go outdoors, siding, brick, garage, and gutters. If you want black, you get super hard. That's what you could do for some grills, loose paint, furnaces, baked on food, industrial. Blue ones, plastic, pool lining, pots, pans, hot tubs. Look at all those uses. So white, they're calling is of course very soft. This one's a moderate, so I'd still use these on the rims. I'll definitely try it on a small spot though before I do it. But at least these weren't the black ones. So I didn't actually know that before I bought that. So that's good to know though. So that's the one we already showed you. Then they come with ones like, you know, flat ones. So again, these would be, you know, maybe for your bricks or whatever. A little bit larger one, so you can see the size comparisons on that one. And then we got our fine detailed one. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, I've been wanting to use these for the rims of my cars. Like I said, if you guys are watching this and you are wanting these, keep in mind the colors. I knew they had colors, but it really wasn't that obvious on the pages that I was looking at that they're actually meant for other things, which makes common sense now in hindsight. So, but like I said, you know, for me, I'm close enough in the, it's just a moderate pad, but you can see you got some aggressive ones down here for, like I said, you know, grills and stuff like that. So anyway, that's the unboxing of those. I'll actually put together another video of me actually when the weather gets a little warmer, of me actually showing you how much brake dust I get on these rims and how these works to clean it, because I take it through a car wash probably once or twice a week on average, and they just don't get it, obviously. So I definitely need something to get in there, and I've got the old school ones you just, you know, kind of throw in there, and you know, you get so tiring by just scrubbing the heck out of them, but it's, you know, it works. But I've always seen these and I wanted to try them, so this will make the job a lot easier. So anyway, hope you guys like that video. As always, hit the subscribe button. I do a video a day of reviews, how-tos, all kinds of stuff like that, so I can get that content. Really trying to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's the whole point of start to where you can make it on YouTube and make the monetization. Those are your first thresholds. So anyway, hope you guys like it, and feel free to hit that like, subscribe button. If not, at least just give me a thumbs up. So I appreciate you guys, and catch you guys in the next one. See you guys.